to the Jamesinator, and so I was playing Fortnite for like an hour.
I spotted it first!
And I was playing Fortnite for an hour, so then Hannah went outside, and look what happened. She saw this.
This is not... Oh. It's like a
look at this. This fell off.
How could this...
How did that do... Look. I know you might not like this. Don't turn off. It's going to get exciting. So, like, it's literally like 5 o'clock. And look how dark it is. It's 5 o'clock. And it's so dark. I mean, like, what's happening here? This happened yesterday, too. So, guys, this happened yesterday. And so, this is, like, so weird. It gets so dark early, and it gets, like, so windy. Like, guys.
Look at the trees, look at the trees.
Look, that tell you how windy it is. But it's like, well, that's not, it's even more.
It's so dark!
It was so windy. Let me show you.
I see makeup trees.
I'll show you something. So I had a Nerf gun. I have my Nerf bullet bag. So there's Nerf bullets. I had a bag of Nerf bullets right here. And then I set, the bag was open, and then the wind literally pulled the Nerf bullets out of the bag. Hannah, the wind pulled the Nerf bullets out of the bag. So they're everywhere. So I lost like a bunch of Nerf bullets. And even the wind blew this shirt. The wind blew this. It's like so strong. Guys, let's go check out the tide. And we're gonna go look at the tide. So we filmed another video earlier. Sardines. Sardines. No, like an hour ago, because I was like playing Fortnite for an hour. So
and this is what happened an hour later.
Yeah.
They was gonna tell us that there was gonna be a storm.
We were playing sardines outside. Watch that video. It was. Just watch the video. Watch the sardines video, and then watch that, and then now watch this. It's the same day, like an hour after that. Okay, so you have to watch that, so you can tell the difference. Look at the tide. Wait, can you see this? Let me show you this. This one. Let me show you this. Look how hard the water is. The water's like so hard. I know, but look how hard it is.
I know.
It's like running so fast. It usually is like stagnant water. And now it's like,
guys, if you did not know, this is actually salt water.
I know, it's really like stagnant water. Okay, it's stagnant water. But it's usually stagnant water, but now it's just, it's running so fast. It's like going 10 miles per hour. Wait, it's running fast there, but then it's still running fast there.
It's really warm. I like this. It's really warm.
Yeah.
It's like a hot tub. Right?
I don't want to get in. I don't want to get wet. I just clean. So guys, if this ever happened to you, tell us if this happens to us, tell us in the comments what you do and where and if it happened. Okay? Or if it happens, you need.
What's that? Someone just jumped in the water.
If it happens, you need to.
Wait. There's a hole. I see a hole. There's like a little cave down here.
There's something really weird going on.
Like a cave.
I'm going back to the backyard. I'm going back to the backyard. Going to the backyard. Woo! Did you hear that, guys? Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Okay, yeah.
That was a wind.
I hear thunder, guys. I hear thunder.
That's a wind and that's thunder. There's about to be a giant storm. storm. And
connection.
2 days later,
I just hit my foot.
so 2 days later, tonight we're gonna check. We're gonna keep on. We're gonna stay outside, and if it starts raining, we're gonna like tell you guys. You know, this is scary. I'm gonna stay outside till it rains.
Guys, I need to wash my feet. How did I get my feet dirty?
Look at this! Look how high that is! Oh no! That hit the roof! That hit the roof! Oh my gosh! Oh! So
Yeah, that's what's going on.
I know. And look how high. So this happened like a couple days ago, and it keeps on raining.
Oh my God.
There's like a hurricane happening.
The hot tub.
There's a hurricane. There's a hurricane happening. Whoa!
There's a hurricane.
There's like a hurricane happening, and so it was raining like all night. And look, the hot tub so far. This is so windy.
I like it out here.
I want it to rain to show us how it rains. So this is really cold. So I think we should end the video now, cause
But we need to show how dark it is from
oh
the
yeah,
angle.
like how we're gonna do it. No, it got lighter. I'll just show them. Yeah, and it's really dark. It's like,
Dark it is. They're on the camera.
look, it's like 5 o'clock. Wait, see that? Those are storms. Those right there are storms. That's a storm. That's a storm gonna hit. That storm's gonna hit. And it's gonna be raining very big.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, there's a slope cloud. Go in the front.
okay, we're gonna go to the front. Ooh, look at that! Oh my gosh. That's a storm cloud. So when that gets here, we're gonna film how hard it's raining. Okay? Look at that. Look.
Dark over there, too.
Okay, let's go see
And
how this sounds.
ooh, look at that.
That's a little bit lighter. Whoa, that's even darker.
Look straight up. Look at that. Look. Oh my gosh.
It's like really dark. It's like how dark it is on my camera.
I know. Look how dark it is on mine. Like, it actually is doing a different dark, but it's really dark.
Here, let me just film you
Wait.
saying goodbye.
Okay. So my mom's gonna film me saying bye.
It's
So bye.
so hot.
Don't forget to subscribe if this happens to you or happened. Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to help the bell, subscribe.
Help the bell!
Hit the bell.
Save the bell!
Hit the bell, subscribe, and we'll see
the
you
bell.
tomorrow. Wait. Look
It's
how
not
light
bell.
it gets so light. Look.
All right.